This is Tyler Corley with Toombs County Communications. I'm here with Mr. Mike Smith, Transportation Director at Toombs County Schools. He wants to give the parents some information about how buses will work at the beginning of school and address some concerns that they may have. So,
thank you, Tyler. Appreciate it. We're just excited about getting our new school year started. Our drivers have been through a lot of training so far, and we got some training we're going to do next week with showing them how to disinfect the buses. And we just want to alleviate some concerns the parents may have for our students that are traveling on, be riding the school buses. We're going to disinfect the buses after every route. The drivers will, when they pick the students up and they deliver their students to the school, when they park the buses, all the buses will be disinfected after every route. The drivers are being trained on how to keep the bus disinfected and clean, and so that we can provide the safest and the surest transportation that we can for all of our students at Toombs County Schools. We realize that this is new for all of us, and there's some challenging times for all of us, but we in transportation are going to do everything within our power to make sure that we provide the safest transportation for all of our students at Toombs County Schools. And we want our parents to rest assured that we're going to do our best for your children and for our students, and we consider them our kids also. So we are just thankful for the opportunity, Tyler, to be able to be a part of the Toombs County School system, and our drivers are ready, and we'll be going August the 7th. And if you have any concerns or anything you want to like to ask me about, feel free to call me here in the office.
thank you so much, Mr. Smith. Thank you for coming on our YouTube channel, and we thank you for watching Toombs County Schools on YouTube from our communications team. Until next time, thank you very much.